Would you like to design a school in Hawaii with Snøhetta? Inspired by the unique charm of Hawaiian nature, Architecture for Landscape students will work on a design that connects the natural environment and the social dimension.
We don't try to imitate landscape, we create this new reality that is open to the public. The design process is a very personal process. This is something that no artificial intelligence or computer technology will take away from us. It's really about yourself and your relationship to the architecture, to the context.
Guided by Patrick Luth, Managing Director at Snøhetta Innsbruck, participants will develop a school dedicated to the production, experimentation, and dissemination of Hawaiian local cultivation practices.
My name is Simon Boussier. I'm an Associate Professor of Landscape Architecture and Urban Ecological Design at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. I believe strongly that landscape and design are fundamental to bringing people and nature together. We're hoping to welcome you to come to Oahu to experience some really special landscapes and places that have a real need for brilliant young design minds.
So in the design studio, I will ask you to work in a very personal approach, maybe artistic, developing sketches, scenarios, and models that create this relationship between the task, the concept, and you as a person.
So architecture must be part of the nature and must have a language that became from nature. I think that for the student will be really challenging and really interesting to enter in deep in this system where the conception of nature and living and human being is dramatically different from other places.
You can just start to imagine the architecture that emerges from this. Architecture is the mastery of space. How better to master that space than to think through these important kind of ecological terms around how we adapt and respond to massive change all the time together.
How would you translate the principles of sustainability and adaptability into coherent and measured spatial solutions?